comprised of CNC-milled double aluminum faceplates, you'll immediately see and feel the exceptional build quality. Feature-packed, Everest includes a modular media dock and magnetic numpad with programmable color display keys, hot swappable mechanical switches, RGB illuminations, and a magnetic palm rest. The media dock with display dial allows you to control your media, adjust and easily switch profiles, check your system info, and more. It will also feature indicator LEDs. No matter if you're a lefty or require the numpad to be on the other side of the keyboard for macro purposes, gamers rejoice. Everest can make it so. Everest isn't just for gamers. It's designed with flexibility and freedom of choice at heart, making it the perfect keyboard for designers, illustrators, editors, and all professional users. Create profiles that remap your keyboard to have your most frequently used commands conveniently bound to keys of your choice. Optimize your workflow every day. Take your performance to the next level. We don't believe in one size fits all. Our highly modular design makes Everest just right for you. With countless personalized numpads, media dock, and palm rest configurations, Everest can be completely custom tailored to fit your needs. Everest supports you on your ascension to peak performance and matches your style.
RACHIO lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. RACHIO waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. And you'll know it works. RACHIO is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. Learn more at rachio.com.
When you upgrade your Wi-Fi to EERO, something amazing happens. Everything just works, letting you connect with what's important. That's why we made EERO, the world's best reviewed home Wi-Fi system. EEROs replace your router, forming a wireless mesh network that blankets your home in fast, reliable Wi-Fi. EERO is simple to set up and can expand to cover any home, meaning all your connected devices work the way you want them to, wherever you want them to.
Yep, still at the office.
We all know the problem, right? Power strips. We have cords, bricks, AC adapters, and we can never get them to fit right. That's why we turn them inside out, move them upside down, we block our power switch. It just isn't efficient. That's what's great about Pivot Power. We've crafted this thing to be flexible, so you can turn it into whatever direction you need to in order to fit all of your devices and plugs. So go ahead and plug in all those cords you never know what to do with, and that's Pivot Power. A product invented together by Jake Zion and 709 people around the world.
was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, OneNote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper.